It's no secret. There are a massive amount of photographers in the industry right now. With photography equipment becoming more accessible every single day, there are more people that are trying to monetize this, and they are trying to seek a solution to their 9-to-5 or just make a little bit of extra money on the side with their hobby. But you're here for a reason, and you're here to take your business to a new level, and you're ready to blow your competition out of the water and finally start to stand out from all of the people in your market. But there's just one little problem. You don't know exactly where to start. You might know of a few ways that might help you, but you're not sure which step to take and which step when to take it, and you're just feeling overwhelmed with so many options and so many different ways that you just don't even know where to begin. So in this video, I'm going to show you the path that yields the best results with minimal effort, and it's the path that most photographers don't take. And it's funny because the solution is sitting right in front of you, but you've never realized it before until just now. The easiest and quickest way to get new clients and customers in the door is by utilizing the clients and customers you already have and monetizing their experience to get new clients. And you can do all of this with a simple Google page and awesome killer reviews from your past clients. In just a few simple steps, you can start attracting new leads and new business to your website and start booking more clients right now without expensive ads and without a huge time commitment. So if you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. Hey there, I'm Heather with twoblooms.com, a portrait mentor dedicated to helping other photographers build and grow their business without worrying about the competition next door. If you want to learn how to grow your business, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon so you can be the first to know whenever I share a new business tip. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to get your hands on my complete system on how to get raving reviews from your clients. The fastest and easiest way to stand out in a crowded market is by becoming Google's bestie. Did you know that every second of the day there are 70,000 Google searches? That's about 230 per hour, 230 million per hour, I'm sorry. And roughly 5.5 billion per day. That's global, but can you just imagine how many people in your area are looking for the things that you offer? And if you're not utilizing your Google page, then you could be leaving a lot of money on the table. You might already have a Google page, but if you're not monetizing it correctly and utilizing it in a way that brings in new clients, then it really doesn't matter. Google rewards businesses on many factors, but the easiest way is to have a good reputation, and that comes with good, honest reviews. And it's something that you can get started with right now. And here's the truth. Google doesn't want to promote crappy businesses. They want to promote thriving businesses with a lot of happy customers. The more credibility that your clients and your customers give you, the more credibility that you're going to get from Google. And the higher that you're going to climb the Google ladder, quicker. Here's the thing, it's not really as simple as just asking your clients for a review. There's a lot that actually goes into it. And if it were that simple, then everybody would be doing it, but they're not. Here's the really exciting part about that is that most photographers do not utilize this. So that leaves a lot of opportunity for you to grow in Google's good graces, rank higher, and get more visibility to your Google page, which will lead more people to your website, and you can book more photo sessions. So there are 3 main benefits to utilizing your Google page and adding more reviews from your past clients. First up is that you get ranked higher on Google. When Google sees that people are interacting with your page in a positive way, Google is going to give you more attention. So the more 5-star reviews that you get, you're going to get bumped up that ladder quicker. Another reason why you need Google reviews desperately is that it builds your online trust instantly. Just think of yourself as a consumer for a second. You go online, you try to find, like, let's just say you're looking for a restaurant to eat at, and you find a few different places. What do you look at? You look at the location, maybe you look at the menu, and you also look at the reviews. If you're seeing a lot of like 2-star, 3-star reviews with poor service and bad food, are you really gonna wanna eat there? No. So the same goes for your business. Google is going to bump that up, and it's gonna build online trust so people can make a no-brainer decision about your business. Another great thing about reviews is that it sells your services and your products without actually selling. So when a customer or a client leaves you a review, a detailed review, it actually can point out a problem and a solution. So the potential clients that are coming to your Google page, maybe they have these questions in their head and they see all of these amazing reviews that go through the entire process. Well, it not only answers their question, but it gets them primed and ready to book you without actually having to talk to you first. So now that you know that getting reviews is essential to building your business and standing out from other photographers, what do you do now? Well, I hope that the decision is simple, and that is going out and getting reviews from your clients. You have your Google page all set up and ready to go. The next thing is to make a list of the past clients and customers you have worked with in the past 2 to 3 years. Now this list might be a mile high, or it might be really low, but I want you to write down every single person that you've had a really positive experience with. And even if you haven't worked with them in a while, still write them down, because you never know who would want to come back and leave you a good review. All you have to do now is to reach out to them. So make sure that you craft out an email before you actually send it. Let them know that you've been thinking about them, how much you loved working with them, and bring up all of the positive things about working together in your email. But before you hit send, make sure you cover these 3 things. So first of all, just make sure that it comes off as friendly, a warm greeting. If you haven't talked to this person in years, ask them how they're doing. Say that you've been thinking about them and you were reminiscing because you saw pictures of them recently and you genuinely want to know how they're doing. Make sure that they are in the spotlight from the get-go. Secondly, make sure you stroke their ego a little bit. Everybody likes to hear positive things about themselves, so make sure that this is more about them, how you loved working with them, how you love the pictures that you took of them, how they're some of your favorites. Make sure that you set them up in a way that they are feeling really good before you ask them for a favor. So the third thing that you do is just to lay it out there and ask for the review. If they really enjoyed working with you, just explain to them, reviews really help my business grow. If you have 2 minutes to dedicate to today, I would really appreciate a positive review on my page. You can say how not only it helps your business grow, but it helps other people in the area make really good choices about which photographers to hire. But there is one thing that you should know about reviews. Not many clients know how to leave a good review. Yeah, it's easy to say, hey, leave me a review, of our experience together, or how you liked my services, and then they might leave you something like, really great photographer, definitely hiring again. But let me ask you this, is that a kind of review that's going to attract people that are new to your brand and new to your business? If you know how to guide them with the right questions and the right script to follow, then you can start to get reviews like this. Instead of reviews like this. If you don't know how to get those reviews and you want the best strategy so you can stand out from your competitors, you can build a solid reputation online and book more sessions, well, good news, I have created something just for you. I've created a quick and easy to follow and implement workshop that shows you how to get the best reviews from your clients that are raving about your business. If you want to get access to the exact script that I use and the exact method that I do to actually get amazing reviews that sell themselves, then click on the link below. I'm sharing it in the video description. Well, that's it for today. I really hope it helped you get the wheels turning and get you thinking about how you can stand out in a saturated market and how reviews are going to help you build your business. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first to know whenever I share a new video. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.